Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable or disable more or less sensitive content on Instagram. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Sometimes you might feel like you're seeing too much sensitive content, or maybe too little. Here's how to adjust the setting so you get exactly what you want. First, open Instagram and go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right. Now scroll down until you see Content Preferences. If you can't find it, you can also search for it using the search bar at the top. Inside Content Preferences, tap Sensitive Content. Here you will see three options: Less, Standard, and More. If you want to see more sensitive content, choose More. If you want to limit sensitive content, choose Less. And of course, you can switch back at any time. That's it.